Hi everyone, today we are going to be reading the book Polar Opposites by Eric Brooks. While I'm reading the book, I want you to think about the two main characters who we're going to learn the names of soon and what makes them polar opposites. Polar Opposites, written and illustrated by Eric Brooks. Alex is a big polar bear. Xena is a tiny penguin. Alex and Xena are polar opposites. They live on opposite sides of the world. So, as you can see, this is our world. And over here we have a compass, which reads north, east, south, west. And Alex, our polar bear, is on the North Pole, while Xena, our penguin, is on the South Pole. Alex lives in the Arctic. He's pointing to the Arctic right here. Again, it's on the North Pole. Xena lives in the Antarctic. It's right down here. So this is the Antarctic where Xena lives. And up here is the Arctic where Alex lives. Alex is mostly white with some black. Xena is mostly black with some white. Alex is shaggy. Xena is smooth. Polar opposites are different in so many ways. So as you can see by the pictures, they're doing complete opposite things. Alex here is watching TV, while Xena here is reading a book. Alex gets up late. His clock is at 10:41. Xena rises early. Her clock's at 6 o'clock. Alex likes sour things. Xena likes sweet things. Alex is messy. Xena is neat. Alex is loud. Crash, whomp, arg. Xena is quiet. Shh. Alex's favorite clothes are bright. Xena's favorites are not. Alex pushes. Xena pulls. Alex travels fast. Xena travels slow. So, if you know anything about travel, airplanes travel a lot faster than boats. Alex and Xena are very different. But even polar opposites can always meet in the middle. So here's Xena and Alex meeting at the Galapagos Islands, which, as you can see on the map, it's in the middle of the world, also known as on the equator. So Alex traveled from the North Pole to get to the middle, and Xena traveled from the South Pole to get to the middle. Do any of you guys remember what the North Pole was called? If you said Arctic, you are correct. And what about the South Pole? If you said Antarctic, you are also correct. So here's some pictures they took on their trip. Looks like they're having a lot of fun. See you next year. Looks like maybe they always meet in the middle. And here's a little postcard. Well, not postcard, a little package that it looks like Alex is sending to our friend Xena. So, let's go back to my question that I had in the beginning. How are Alex and Xena polar opposites? If you think about it, throughout the book, they did things completely different. And that's what it means to be polar opposite. You do things completely different than someone else. So I want you to think of someone who is your polar opposite. and maybe think of why they're polar opposites. So maybe your brother, he gets up really, really late and you get up really, really early. So that makes you guys polar opposites. Thank you.